Good morning, Avon. Welcome to our Arep online training, or also known as Avon Representative Earnings Plan, na mas pinadali, mas pinagandang earnings plan. We have different terms to remember here para mas lalo nating maintindihan kung papaano natin kukumputin ang ating FD earnings based on our Arep. So first term that we have to remember is brochure price sales. Ito ay ang price ng ating mga produkto na makikita sa ating Avon brochure. Again, our first term to remember is brochure price sales or BPS. The second term is FD discount. Ito ay ang discount rate na pwede mong makuha bilang FD base sa total brochure price sales sa isang buwan at direct na i-apply sa customer price. Again, our second term to remember is FD discount. The third term that we're going to remember is progressive discount. Ito ay FD discount base sa cumulative brochure sales sa current month or buwan. Pag sinabi natin cumulative, ito ay yung naiipon nating purchases sa loob ng current month or sa loob ng isang buwan. Again, our third term to remember is progressive discount. For the fourth term, we have the inherited discount. Ito ay ang pinakamataas na discount rate sa isang buwan na gagamitin or susundin sa lahat ng sales transaction mo sa susunod na buwan. Again, our fourth term to remember is inherited discount. Now for our fifth term, beauty. Ito ay ang ating fragrances, color, face care, body care, and toiletries including hair care. Our fifth term is beauty. Here are a few examples of our beauty products. For our color, we have the lipstick and then our pressed powder. For fragrances, we have here our Her Story or ito ay ang ating mga pabango. We also have here our deodorant and lotion. So these are examples of beauty products which are manufactured by Avon. Now for the sixth term, we have the Beauty Plus. Ito ay ang ating intimate apparel, jewelry, and accessories, and home and nutrition. Again, our sixth term is Beauty Plus. Here are a few examples of our Beauty Plus products. So for our intimate apparel, we have the brief, bra. For accessories, meron tayong bags. And then for jewelry, we have our watches. So these are few products na tinatawag nating Beauty Plus. So Beauty Plus products are not manufactured by Avon. Meron lang si Avon si Avon na supplier for these products. But the quality control is, of course, checked by Avon. Now, let us proceed with the heart of our discussion today. How to compute FD earnings. So, the first one is, meron tayong inherited discount. So, we will assume na si FD ay nagkaroon ng 32% inherited discount for the month of October. So, ibig sabihin, si FD ay nakapag-purchase ng total products, both beauty and beauty plus, amounting to 7,500 pataas. Kasi nga, ang kanya ng discount ay 32%. So, ibig sabihin, ang na-purchase niya na products ay, again, between 7,500 to 12,999.99 brochure price sales or BPS. Okay. So, come November, si FD ay nag-purchase ng 1,897.50 pesos lamang na beauty products. And then, for Beauty Plus, siya ay nakapag-purchase lamang ng 675, na ang naging total ay 2,572.5. That goes the same with the MTD or month to date kasi ito yung first purchase niya for the month of November. So, based on our earning bracket, ang 2,000 to 7,499.99 ay 28%. Okay? So, for this range, dapat, or ito ay pasok sa 28%. But then, merong inherited discount si FD na 32%. So, to compute for her earnings, we have to use the inherited discount, which is 32%. So, para makuha natin yung FD earnings, we will multiply 2,572.5 times 0.32. Okay? 32% in decimal is 0.32. So, ang total earnings ni FD ay 823.20. Okay? So, yan ang process if si FD ay mayroong inherited discount. Okay? Now, for the progressive discount, ibig sabihin, si FD ay 0% ang kanyang inherited discount. Or, ibig sabihin, for example, naging inactive si FD for October. So, wala siyang, kunyari, wala siyang purchase. But comes November, siya ay na-inspired. So, ginanahan siyang magbalik Avon. So, nakapag-purchase siya ng 8,000 for beauty products and then 4,000 for beauty plus. So, ang naging total purchase niya is 12,000. So, that is also her MTD kasi first purchase niya ito. Now, if you're going to check on the earning bracket, ang 12,000 ay pasok sa 32%. So, automatic, we will use this discount para makompute ang earnings ni FD. Okay? So, 12,000 times 0.32, ang earnings ni FD ay 3,840. Okay? So, since very inspired si FD na magbalik Avon, on the next week nag-purchase uli siya. Okay? So, for this time, ang kanyang purchase for beauty products ay 2,000. Sa Beauty Plus naman, 1,500. So, ang total nun ay 3,500. Now, ang kanyang MTD ay ipag-add natin yung MTD niya dun sa unang purchase niya, which is 12,000 plus 3,500. Ang total na MTD niya or month to date niya ay 15,500. So, yung 15,500, ito ay pasok na sa 35%. So, ibig sabihin, to compute for the earnings ni FD sa total purchase niya na 3,500, we will multiply it with 0.35. Yan. So, that will give us an FD earnings of 1,225 for the purchase na 3,500. So, bakit siya naging 5,056? Kasi, on her first purchase, meron na siyang FD earnings na 3,831 plus 1,225. So, ang total FD earnings ni FD ay 5,056 na. So, again, I would like to emphasize ang computation process na ito ay progressive discount. Ayan. So, I hope you learned something from this presentation or discussion. Naway ito'y nakapag-enlighten sa inyo kung paano kinocompute ang ating FD earnings using the inherited discount and with progressive discount. So, thank you for watching. Maraming salamat sa inyong panunood. This is Vanchi Danila, your Avon lady, saying, ang taong may ambisyon, Avon ang solusyon.